Grade 4 Science. Hello children, in our lesson number 1, Growing Up with Family, we are going to focus on some of the key points. Number 1, Young ones of animals and human babies. Number 2, Taking care of babies. Number 3, Adopting babies and animals into the family. Number 4, the key roles of family members in caring for a baby. In I Think we have seen how Reena and her friends have decided to take care of the 7 puppies which were given birth by a stray dog. They have taken them to their homes and kept them as pets. They are taking the responsibility and care of the puppies. Now I remember. As we have discussed in our classes, you all like to play with kittens, puppies, chicks, etc. Isn't it? Yes, they are very attractive. And did you ever try to think from where they have come from? Yes, let me tell you. Some animals lay eggs and some animals give birth to the young ones. That means babies come out from their mothers' bodies. See how a hen lays its eggs. You can look the second picture. How a chick is coming out of an egg. The last picture shows a snake with its eggs. It's terrific, isn't it? Yes. Some examples of animals that give birth to babies are cats, cows, dogs, humans, etc. You all know it. Let us see the pictures which are given in our textbook. The first one, a dog with its puppies, a lion with a cub, a mother with its baby. It's amazing to know that puppies and kittens grow inside the bodies of their mother for 2 months. Do you know how many months a baby grows into the mother's womb? For 9 months. Similarly, the calves also grow in the womb of a mother for 9 months. We all know that the young ones of animals and humans mostly depend on their mother's milk. Birds and some other animals lay eggs. They collect food and feed their young ones. Coming to the human beings, when a baby is born, the mother, father, and other family members take care and protect the baby. Most of you definitely might have a sibling. Do you know what is a sibling? An elder or a younger brother or sister. You play with them, you help each other, you fight with them, you do your homework together, isn't it? Even your parents were also born as small babies. Your grandparents or your parents might have discussed with you sometime or the other about their childhood. How was their life? What were their activities? Their behavior? Etc. For example, how they did their homework. How did they go to their school? Were they naughty? Or were they calm? Were they playful? Did they fight with their siblings? Etc. Look at the picture carefully and see how a baby slowly grows into a child, then adult, and then into an old man. Let us train our brain. The first one. Name an example that lays eggs. You all know it, but let me just give you a few examples. Hen, fish, frog, snake, lizard, etc. Second question. Name an animal which gives birth to its young ones. By this time you have known so many animals, isn't it? Few examples are cats, dogs, cows, horses, etc. We have learned that the young ones of animals and humans are taken care by their parents. Isn't it? Yes, but sometimes we find that the young ones of animals lose their parents. Then, as we have seen, Reena, in the beginning of the lesson, few people adopt these pets and take them to their homes and take care of them. In the same way, in humans also, some children lose their parents. It's too pathetic without parents, isn't it? Yes, the children who lose their parents, that means they do not have the mother and the father, both. They are called as orphans. Some families who are kind enough bring home these orphans, give them lots of love, take care of them, and make a part of their family. This process is called as adoption. That means taking care of a child who has lost their parents, providing them proper education, food, clothing, etc. is known as adoption. And the parents or the elders who adopt these parents, these orphans, are called as adoptive parents. Sometimes people take the responsibility of a child without adopting them. That means legally they may not have adopted the child. The child may be at some other place, but they provide them money or education, clothing, food, etc. Those are known as foster parents. One of the amazing fact is that cuckoo, you know the bird cuckoo? Yes, it always lays its eggs in the nests of other birds, and most interesting fact is that these young ones that hatch out of the eggs are fed and brought up by other birds. Suppose we have adopted a puppy. What you should do to take care of that puppy? We should keep the puppy clean. Number 2, give it a bath. Yes, take it to the animal doctor for regular checkups or when it is not well. What do you call an animal doctor? A doctor who treats an animal. We call them as veterinary doctors. Yes, and if it is a puppy, you should play with it. You should love it. You should take it for a walk in the park. Yes, but taking the responsibility of a pet is not that easy. You all might have pets at home, isn't it? And you know how difficult it is to take care of a pet. So, by now, you might have understood that your parents have showered lots of love and care upon you and are taking up your responsibility in all means. So please love and respect your parents. Thank you.